Rallying has been a part of motorsport almost since motorsport began. But along the way, it's all become very different from the time when well-heeled young chaps drove their sports cars over the Alps or across Europe to Monte Carlo. Those fellows would have looked down their noses somewhat at the Ford Escorts of the 70s and would have been as amazed as the rest of us at the flame-snorting monsters of the Group B era. Undoubtedly, they would have taken a dim view of today's professional approach, but then again, they could afford to. Things, as we said, were very different then. The one constant thing that has run throughout the history of rallying, however, is its public appeal. Thousands more people have turned out on a rainy day in November to watch the RAC rally than have ever attended a British Grand Prix. And every one of these committed rally fans have their own very firm ideas on the best cars that ever spun their wheels into a special stage.